In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate median in Excel. The median is the middle value in a group of numbers when those numbers are arranged in order. In Excel, you can calculate it very quickly with a built-in formula. This is useful when you want a value that represents the center of your data without being affected too much by very large or very small numbers. To begin, open your worksheet and locate the numbers you want to use. Once your data is ready, click on the blank cell where you want the median result to appear. For this example, that could be cell A7, but you can use any empty cell that fits your worksheet layout. Choosing the output cell first is important because it tells Excel exactly where to place the answer. After you click the blank cell, type equals MEDN and then open a parenthesis. This tells Excel that you want to use the MEDN function. Excel formulas always begin with an equal sign, so make sure you include that at the start. As you type, you may also see Excel suggest the formula for you, which can help confirm that you are using the correct function. Next, click and drag your mouse to highlight the column of numbers you want to include. In this example, you would select cells A2 through A6. As you drag across the cells, Excel will place that cell range into the formula automatically. This saves time and helps reduce typing mistakes. Be sure that you only highlight the cells that contain the numbers you want Excel to analyze. Once the correct range is selected, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the median and display the result in the cell you selected at the beginning. That result is the middle value of your chosen set of numbers. If the answer does not look right, check that you selected the correct cells and that the range only includes the intended data. Also, make sure you started the formula with the equals sign and used the median function exactly as shown. That is the full process. Click the blank result cell, type the MEDN formula, highlight your numbers, and press Enter. Excel does the calculation for you in just a few seconds. That covers everything you need to know.